Well, good morning, everybody. What day is today? It's Monday, yes. How's the weather? It's cloudy and raining. And everybody open your student book and turn to pages 74. Today is the Dragon Boat Festival. Hooray! We can eat 粽子. Happy Dragon Boat Festival. This sachet is for you. Thank you. Go, go, go. Look, the egg is standing. Wow, amazing. Let's watch the Dragon Boat race. Dragon Boat race. Go, go, go. So I believe we check 1 and 2. And I want you to memorize Dragon Boat race this time. Memorize it. So I will check this word. Let's check this word. And do you memorize it? Let's start out first. D, R, D, draw. Dragon. Boat. Boat. Race. Dragon Boat race. Memorize. Okay, today we will recite sentence 1 and 2, right? So, boys and girls, practice the 1 and 2 3 times, okay? 廖一翔跟林凯come here. Today is the Dragon Boat Festival. Hooray! We can eat 粽子. Today is the Dragon Boat Festival. Hooray! We can eat 粽子. Today is the Dragon Boat Festival. Hooray! We can eat 粽子. Today is the Dragon Boat Festival. Hooray! We can eat 粽子. 今天是红船节，就是花莲子龙船节，红州节。Hooray! 万岁 ！We can eat 粽子。我们可以吃什么？粽子。Okay, boys, stand up, go. Girls, stand up, go. Today is the Dragon Boat Festival. Hooray! We can eat 粽子. Okay, now let's check our homework. 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, 5. Check 3, 4, 5. Let's check 3, 4, 5. Happy Dragon Boat Festival. This sachet is for you. When the CH sounds she, always the words from the foreign country. It maybe come from French. This word name comes from French. Let's be change. 当那个 CH 发虚的时候，表示这个字是外来语。那外来语中又以 French 就是法文比较多。那像 Chanel 那个 CH 是发虚 Chanel， 那个 Chanel 是法国的品牌。There I go. Happy Dragon Boat Festival. This sachet is for you. Thank you. Okay. 李凯又跟队长 come here. Happy Dragon Boat Festival. This sachet is for you. Thank you. Happy Dragon Boat Festival. 快乐的龙舟节。This sachet is for you. 这个香包给你，谢谢。Happy Dragon Boat Festival. This sachet is for you. Thank you. Happy Dragon Ball Festival. This sachet is for you. Thank you. Okay. All done? I'm done. Go stand up. Good. Go stand up. Very good. Now let's move. Happy Dragon Ball Festival. This sachet is for you. Thank you. Happy Dragon Ball Festival. This sachet is for you. Thank you. Okay, now let's move to go, go, go. Go, go, 555. What is go, go, go? Yes, 加油. Look, the egg is standing. Standing. What is standing? There's an activity, 立蛋. In Chinese, we say 立蛋 in Chinese. Egg standing is 立蛋. We are standing the egg. Wow, amazing. Amazing is like wonderful. Wow, you are surprised. You are surprised. So you say it's beautiful. So you will say amazing, amazing. Yeah. Let's watch the Dragon Ball race. Let's mean that everybody, including the father. We. That means that us. That we watch. Let us watch the Dragon Ball. That we watch the Dragon Ball race. We. How many we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five we. So the we is included Danny's father, Owen, Danny, Irene, Nikki, and Dino. We. Look, the egg is still standing on the table. The egg is standing on the table, yes. And then they are holding the tennis or badminton racket. And this is broom. Let's watch the Dragon Ball race. Let's watch the Dragon Ball race. Okay, 3 times so far. Let's watch the Dragon Ball race. Let's watch the Dragon Ball race. Let's watch the Dragon Ball race. Let's us watch. What is watch? 看那个 Dragon Ball race. What is Dragon Ball race? When the best Dragon Ball will get the flag first and hold it up. Means I'm number one. The leader of the always the flag catcher. Flag catcher will on the Dragon Ball head. On the head of Dragon Ball. Lie on the Dragon Ball head, dragon head, and catch the flag. And when he first catch it, he's number one. He's the number one who catch the flag. He's the number who catch the flag. The team is win. The team wins. Team win. Well, let's watch the Dragon Ball race. Let's watch the Dragon Balls. 你想廖一想跟银行方面 ，Let's watch the Dragon Ball race. 我们来看什么？龙舟比赛。Let's watch the Dragon Ball race. Let's watch the Dragon Ball race. Let's watch the Dragon Ball race. Let's watch the Dragon Ball race. Oh, you want to swing? Roll the. Okay, they are doing the rolling. Wow, what are they doing? They are doing the rolling, right? And Dino is trying to catch what? To take the flag. He's trying to catch the flag, like the people in the TV, okay? The player in the TV doing. They are doing the Dragon Ball scene, doing the roll the Dragon Ball scene, Dragon Ball rolling, roll. Okay, so 3 times we should want to go. Let's watch the Dragon Ball race. 让我们 that we 让我们或是 let's watch the Dragon Ball race. 让我们来看什么 Dragon Ball 的龙舟竞赛竞速 race 是竞速的意思。Let's watch the Dragon Ball race. Let's 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 watch the Dragon Ball race. Okay. Go, go, go. Alright, boys, stand up. Go. Okay, girls, stand up. Go. Very good. Okay, let's watch the Dragon Boat race. Okay, they are doing the Dragon Boat racing. They are doing the rowing the Dragon Boat race. They are doing rowing the Dragon Boat race. Okay. Oh, well done, Mama. Rowing the Dragon Boat race. Then you say go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. And then you say go, go, go. Fight, fight, fight. I'm go, go, go. I'm fight, fight, fight. Okay, turn over. Okay, let's read the lyrics first. Happy Dragon Boat Festival. The Dragon Boat Festival, the Dragon Boat race. We can eat 粽子 and row a dragon boat. Eat 粽子 yum yum yum. Row the boat, go go go. We eat 粽子 and row a dragon boat. Let's have fun together on the Dragon Boat Festival. Okay, very good. Now let's try again. Repeat after teacher. The Dragon Boat Festival, the Dragon Boat race. We can eat 粽子 and row a dragon boat. Eat 粽子 yum yum yum. Row the boat, go go go. We eat 粽子 and row a dragon boat. Let's have fun together on the Dragon Boat Festival. Very good. Now let's do that picture. Page 77. Words around the world. Words around. We have many different words to say I love you, right? I love you. We know it's right, but in other words, we don't know. So let's look at the country first. This is Thai language, Chinese, Thai words. This is I love you in Thai words. This is I love you in Korean, Korean. This is I love you in Russian. This is I love you in Arabic. Arabic. There's so many different words. Okay, so let's review again. This is I love you in Thai. This is Thai language. What is Thai language? Yes, Taiwan. Very good. This is I love you in Korean. This is Korean language. What is Korean language? Hanwon. This is I love you in Russian. What is Russian? 俄文，俄罗斯文。This is I love you in Arabic. What is Arabic? 阿拉伯语。Okay, now let's do the match. Number one is I love you is from English. Yes, this I love you is from English. And this is I love you from Russian. What is Russian? Number three, this is I love you from Korean. Number four, this I love you is from Thai language. Next one, this I love you is from Arabic. Next class, I will teach how to say I love you in those words. 来 ，P J， 开堂课我教你说怎么用这些语言来讲 I love you. Okay, Nation. Wow, thank you, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.